What is up, gang? Nick here. Welcome to the show. If you're new, thanks for coming back. If you're not, in today's episode, I want to talk about two penny stocks that are currently exploding, and I think will continue to do so for the foreseeable future. I also want to touch on some massive news coming out of EHang. Ay caramba, that thing is plummeting. They are obviously in the EV sphere, and I want to touch on that. We highlighted these stocks on our private Discord channel a couple weeks ago. If you had gone in on them then, you would now be up over 100%. If you want access to our exclusive Discord, join our Patreon page. The link is in the description. I post more content there behind the scenes. You don't want to miss any of it. We have a ton to get to in today's ep, but before we get it, Webull is giving out 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. They are a 0% commissions trading platform and offer some of the best analytics in the game. Guys, this is a no-brainer. This offer ends soon. You don't want to sleep on it. Check out our Patreon page. I will be posting every single one of my trades moving throughout 2021. This also gives you access to our exclusive Discord channels where all of my trades are tracked in real time. My portfolios and the changes to them will all be posted. You don't want to miss any of it. And more importantly, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much to all of those who have already pledged. You guys mean the world to me. All right, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. So the first stock I want to talk about is one that I've highlighted frequently on this show. This is legitimately one of my favorite companies, and it's where I'm seeing the most value, best bang for your buck currently. I would not be surprised if this puppy in the long run goes 10 times, if not more. There is so much potential to this company. This is SENS, trading on the NYSE American under ticker symbol SENS. Now, this company is up over 1,000% since just December, and they continue to surge. We're not seeing much consolidation in their share price. This usually signifies that investors are gaining long-term positions. There's not much profit taking here. There's not much swing trading. These are investors looking towards the future. This is also what we did. We got in around $2 a share. I posted on the Discord channel around $2.19. This is much more than a 100% position now, and I think this is only the beginning. I truly do. Now, we finished up 26.68% on the day alone. This is incredible. We're now sitting at $5.27 per share, up $1.11, 111 baby, on today's trading alone. Now, with all this current hype surrounding the stock and its projections about where it could potentially go, investors are getting in now. If you don't know this company, you should, and you probably will soon. Do you still have time to buy, or have you missed the boat? SENS is a company based in the continuous glucose monitoring sphere, or CGM. This is basically for patients diagnosed with diabetes to be able to monitor their glucose with increased transparency and increased data points. They get a small sensor inserted underneath their skin. So instead of the traditional way of monitoring your glucose, so basically pricking your finger with a little needle, potentially going through thousands of needles per year, basically Senseonics is taking measuring glucose into the 21st century and doing it quickly. This sensor sits underneath your skin, you don't feel it, and gives your smartphone data points every 5 minutes, updating you with your glucose trends throughout the day. This is a company I love, and this company based in medtech is doing just that. If you've watched this channel before, you know how bullish I am on medtech, on genomics. I do have a degree in science, and I specifically scout out these companies. Now, why is this happening? Why the insane surge today? Now, there's many reasons to believe that the FDA is going to grant approval in Q2 2021 to this company, and this has investors jumping all over this. Their device is called the Eversense CGM system, and analysts expect to receive FDA approval from the second quarter of this year. So we'll have a little bit of waiting to go, but I do expect these shares to climb until then. I'm personally going to be opening up a massive position into this company if we see valuations under $5 per share. I do think we will see a bit of a decline in the next coming days, at which point I will be bulking up yet again. This potential FDA approval is gaining so much notoriety, so much publicity to this company. It's injecting a ton of investor interest. We see volumes going through the roof. You don't want to miss it before it's too late. I do expect this stock to double over once again if FDA approval is granted. One of my favorite companies. I've been with them for a while now. I will keep you all updated as soon as any information is released. Now, the next company I want to talk about is also in my top 5 penny stocks right now. They're not technically a penny stock anymore since they've basically surged through the roof. However, they still act like one there is extreme extreme volatility here and a lot of gains to be made. Now, this company is called Bionanogenomics. We first highlighted them on our Discord channel about a month ago, and they're up over 75% since then, and shares just continue to surge. We're sitting at $15.57 on the day, up $1.87, 13.65% on the day alone. So I've talked about the stock before and how they are set in such a topical environment. Its main product is called Sapphire, which is a genome mapping tool used for researchers and scientists. It basically allows researchers to gain further insight into whatever they're studying. Bionano facilitates this, making research happen faster and for cheaper. Now, what's more is that Sapphire can then reliably diagnose potential disorders caused by structural variations within the genome, and this is going to be huge. Now, shares have been surging so much because there is evidence that they are going to be able to track the current health situation. They are looking to use their technology specifically for the current health situation. I can't say the word on YouTube, but you know what I'm talking about. Now, as the current health situation continues to mutate, we will need to stay with it. We will need to catch up. I'm going to be personally purchasing up shares. If we see valuations under the $14 range, I do think we will see a slight correction, a slight consolidation of share price in the next couple of weeks. I just don't think this is sustainable at its current level. However, I do see good long-term projections for this company. I'm going to secure a position and hold it for the long term, 3, 5, 10 years down the line. They might eventually be bought out by a big pharma company, in which case their shares would likely surge. All right, moving on to one of the biggest stories of the day. This is EHang Holdings. They are sitting at only $46.30. They fell over $77, 62.69% in the day alone. Now, this is absolutely drastic for anyone who went in on this stock last week. Now, it should be noted that they are up pretty big in after hours trading. However, what happened here? What's going on? So EHang, under ticker symbol EH, has been gaining notoriety the past couple of weeks, talking about their autonomous flying technology and these crafts that can actually carry a person. That's how big they are. So Wolfpack Research is extremely short on EHang. Their title, "A Stock Promotion Destined to Crash and Burn," was revealed today, and shares followed this news. They think they are an elaborate stock promotion built on largely fabricated revenues based on sham sales contracts with a customer who appears to us to be more interested in helping inflate the value of its investment, i.e. pumping up their stock price, than actually just buying its products. They think that EH has perpetuated its story with a collection of lies about its products, manufacturing, revenues, partnerships, and potential regulated approval of its autonomous aerial vehicle ride-sharing network. So basically, they think the entire thing is a sham. However, it should be noted they do have a short position in this company. They may stand to gain heavily if the stock does fall so drastically. I will have a full video coming out about this tomorrow. We're going to see how the markets react to this. I wouldn't even be surprised if this becomes a new Wall Street bets target. They are up huge after hours. It's kind of fishy why they are up. However, I'll look further into this. I will update you all on the Discord page. I'm going to be posting what I'm looking at for tomorrow. You don't want to miss it. Anyways, everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget about the Webull promo. 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. Check out our Patreon page. Like I said, I will be releasing every single one of my trades moving throughout 2021. I finished 2020 with over a 50% ROI. You don't want to miss any of that. Joining the Patreon also gives you exclusive membership into our private Discord channels. We have under the radar stocks, the best scoops I've ever had in there, all of my real-time trades and our portfolios. You don't want to miss any of it. Anyways, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Just a short, quick one today. Cool news in the stock world. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Happy trading. Cheers, gang.